Hello guys, happy weekend. In this video I am going to share some prophetic message. So guys, this amazing brother, he shared his dream about phenomenal cat. 4 days ago I saw his comment. So guys, his comment goes like this: during my 9th and 10th day of fasting, when my body was weak but my spirit was sharpened, the same vision returned again and again. I saw the phenomenal cat symbol, and beside it stood 0.01, shining as though written in light. I did not seek this image. It came uninvited yet unmistakable. In moments like this, I remember the words: surely the Lord does nothing unless he reveals his secret to his servants, the prophets. Amos 3 verse 7. So guys, if you are interested in phenomenal cat, you can buy this coin on Pancake Swap. You can buy on Trust Wallet. You swap BNB to buy this coin. The current market cap is $61,000. The previous market cap was $33,000. So guys, take this to God in prayer before you buy a phenomenal cap. So guys, this is the continuation of the Bnbfrog dream. If you missed the first video, you can check it out on my channel. So guys, this is the continuation of the dream. So when I woke up, I thought there's a coin that even exists, and as I thought about this, I thought that maybe it will be called Bnbfrog, because I have heard people talking about other BNB coins that start with the letters BNB. I immediately asked God to confirm that this dream was from him, and asked him if I was supposed to buy some. By the way, I wrote the dream down as soon as I woke up, so I have proof. I then looked it up and saw that there was in fact a Bnbfrog coin, and I felt a confirmation in my spirit that it was the coin I saw in my dream, and I thought that was so cool. Anyways, the next morning I watched a video Pastor Greg over at Prophetic Insight had put out the night before on YouTube. In that video, he announced that God had shown him another coin, and immediately I thought, no way is it going to be the frog coin. And lo and behold, he said it was called Bnbfrog. Wow, I was so excited. I got up and started jumping up and down. God confirmed it to me. Thank you, God. Anyways, I only invest in things that the Lord shows me specially, and I am one of those people who had originally refused to put money into any meme coins. But when the Lord shows you a coin and then confirms it, you do what He says. You do exactly what He says to do, nothing more and nothing less. So guys, she confirmed a Bnbfrog dream. She got a confirmation when Pastor Craig mentioned Bnbfrog. It was a confirmation for her, and she mentioned she only buys coins that God reveals to her. You know, she's not a fan of meme coin. So if God shows you something, you have to take advantage of it. I'm not a fan of meme coin, but when I started watching prophetic channels, my mindset changed. So guys, if you are interested in Bnbfrog, conduct your research before you buy Bnbfrog. Conduct your research before you buy Phenomenal Cat, Wiki Cat, or any cryptocurrency. So guys, don't forget to buy Luna Classic. Luna Classic pumped yesterday over 100%. If you have spare money, you can buy Luna Classic. So guys, check out this prophetic message by Prophet Bernard of Ghana. Like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.
Because the first time I saw Crepe, I saw there were 3 major price points that it got to, and so far it's nowhere close to any of them. I saw it got to 0.045, then it moved to 0.1, then I saw $1.